In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest NinjaTrader strategy. Backtesting is how you replay a trading idea on historical data to see how it would have performed before risking real money. We'll move through NinjaTrader's built-in tools so you can set everything up clearly and get meaningful results. Start in the Control Center. This is the main hub of NinjaTrader where you manage connections, accounts, and tools. From here, go to the new menu and choose Strategy Analyzer. That opens a dedicated window designed for testing strategies. You'll notice two main areas: a settings panel where you define exactly what to test, and a results area that will display performance once the test is done. Think of the settings as your experiment setup and the results as your report card. Inside the Strategy Analyzer, confirm the backtest type is set to backtest. This tells NinjaTrader you want to run the strategy as is on historical data, rather than optimizing parameters or running advanced workflows. Keeping it on backtest ensures a straightforward, apples-to-apples review of your idea. Next, choose the strategy you want to test. You can select a pre-built strategy or one you created with NinjaScript. Make sure the strategy's parameters are already set the way you intend, because those inputs define how the logic will act during the test. Pick the instrument you're testing, such as ES or NQ. Instruments differ in volatility, tick size, and session hours, so match your selection to the market your strategy was designed for. It's a good idea to verify you have sufficient historical data for that instrument to cover your test period. Set the data series to define your time frame. Choose the bar type, like minute, tick, or daily, and the value that best reflects how your strategy operates. For example, a scalping strategy might use tick or very short minute bars, while a swing strategy may need larger intervals. Consistency here is key. Your bar type and value should mirror how you plan to trade live. Define the time period by setting the start date and end date. Choose a range that includes different market conditions so you can see how the strategy behaves in trending and choppy phases. Also ensure session templates and time zones align with how you expect the market to be processed. When everything looks right, click Run. The Strategy Analyzer will process the data and display results, including performance metrics and charts. Review these to validate whether the strategy behaves as intended, and use the insights to refine your approach before moving forward.